Hey y'all, it's your girl Marie, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I will be talking about how much money I have made from YouTube. Is it worth it? Am I happy? Will I continue to go on? Well, you're about to get all that and some, so stay tuned. So a little backstory. I started YouTube about a year and a half ago. I really didn't know which direction I wanted to go in, so I was a little bit here, I was a little bit there. I was just making videos on going out, doing hair, doing makeup, whatever it was. I was just trying to find myself in the beginning, and that stage can be very difficult because you never know which way is going to land best for you. Well, I figured mine out, and the best area for me is when I talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow your Facebook reels, like all that. That's what's really working for me. Like that is what popped out on my channel as, okay girl, this is the lane you need to be in, so stay in your lane, stay in your lane. So I give girl stay in her lane. Okay, fast forward, I got monetized in March. Woohoo! Your girl got monetized in March. Your girl was super excited because baby, those 4,000 watch hours, was kicking my you know what. But your girl made it through, and I'm happy for that. So once I got to the 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers, I received an email saying, woohoo, you have reached the goal. Okay, it wasn't saying that, but I'm just saying you reached the goal. So then they go in and tell you to do some information. They'll send your pin out. You put your pin in, baby, then you official. Once you put your pin in, you official. They'll send something in the mail. I got a video on that too. Send something in the mail, a little 4-digit pin, 4-digit code. You put the code in, boom. You can start putting ads on your videos. And as we all know, that is the goal. We want to put ads on our videos because we all know that's where the money come in. Yes, we get paid from ads. Ads are the place on our videos is where our money come from. So the more ads, the more money. But you need to make sure that your video is at least 9 minutes long. Now sometimes I do mine about 8 minutes. 8 minutes to still let me play around and put ads where I want to place my ads. But the reason I say let it be 8 or higher is because if anything less than 8, they place the ads for you. You cannot place ads. Like you'll get one ad in the front and maybe one in the back, none in the middle. We want them in the middle. So make sure your video is long enough to where you can place ads front, middle, and end. Because if it's less than 8 minutes, you only can post your ads. Well, they're going to post them. Actually, you're not going to be able to place ads. It's not going to give you the option to insert them because it's less than 8 minutes. So make sure your video is 8 minutes or higher. A lot of people like to shoot for 9, 10 minutes. I can do 8 and still play around, so it's all good with me. So once you set all your videos up to monetization, because I'm going to tell you this, your videos are not going to automatically turn over to monetization. You're going to have to turn those videos on. So remember that. Remember, go in your creator studio, go in YouTube studio, and turn on monetization because it will not automatically turn on for you. It's up to you because there may be videos in there that you don't want to be monetized, which, I mean, I know you probably want all of them monetized, but they let you go in and turn them on. They do not turn them on automatically for you. So make sure you go in there once you're monetized. Make sure you go in there and turn those ads on. Turn them on. Turn the monetization button on. And once you turn it on, then let the magic happen for you. Now, let's go ahead and get into how much money I have made so far. So like I said, I got monetized in March. So everything that I did in the month of March, I would get paid for in April. We get paid after the month after. So once they build up for that month, you get paid the following month. So I only had about 12 days, I would say 11, between 10 and 12 days left in the month of March. So I didn't really have a full 31 days. And I was like, oh man, because you know, you want your full days because you want every day to count. You want every day to be able to gain the money. But anywho, so let's go ahead and talk about how much I made on my April 2022. Let me put the 22 in there because I make, you know, April 22, your girl made $116.03. Yes. Now let me tell you something. I know it may not seem like a lot, but baby, I'm happy because your girl been working so hard to get monetized. So just by letting me see that I can make money off my content made me happy. Like, seriously, just the thought of, oh my God, like, my hard work really paid off. I'm literally and really getting paid for my content now. So yeah, I only had about 10 or I want to say 10, about 10 days left in the month of March. And your girl made $116.03, and your girl was happy with that. Now, granted, I've seen and heard people say they made thousands of dollars. I didn't get to do that this time, but my time is coming. My time is coming. So I ain't even stressed and being pressed about it. Okay, I'm good with this. And the reason I say I'm good with it is because I could have looked at my April statement and had nothing but $20. Well, actually, you have to at least get to $100 threshold for them to release the money. So your girl was happy. Anything under $100 will have to wait till the month to where you threshold out at 100. So you cannot take the money out, or the money will not be sent to you if it's not $100 threshold. It has to be met. So make sure, or ain't no make sure, but that's how it goes. You have to at least make $100 threshold to get your money. So your girl, yeah, 16 is some change over, you know. But I was happy though. Like, I'm really happy. So I was like, okay. So I worked a little bit harder. In April, I had a full month, but I'm still new. I'm still learning how this stuff works. So my money went up a little bit, but it wasn't like a big jump. But I can say it went up a little bit more. So in May, I made $255.50. Yes, that's how much I made in May. See how much it went up? A difference it went up from April. So when I get my check in June, babe, I'm looking at my creative studio right now. It's looking good, baby. We in the thousands, okay? I ain't gonna show y'all yet. I want to wait till I get the full month done and then show y'all how much I made for the month of June, okay? Because I worked my butt off in May. So when I get that June check, it's gonna be looking lovely. So my goal is to make more money than I made the previous month. And I will, because guess what? The more you post, the more views you get, the more watch time, the more everything you get, subscribers, the more you get. Now I have noticed, I have slacked off about a week, and I have noticed a decline in my views, a decline in my subscribers. So this is literally a job. Like, literally a job. You don't go to work, you don't get paid, okay? Now, I do have some videos that still run and play when I'm not working, which is good, so it keep me up. But it's best to keep posting. You don't work, you don't get paid. Okay? You will see. Take a week off. Take a week off. You will see the difference. You will see your views decline. You may get some trickling in, but it ain't like when you like going hard and like you really working. So like I said, I will receive my June check. It should come about the 21st. Like, I received my other 2 checks on the 21st of each month. So when I get my June check and that thing popping thousands, then I'll do a video on that, and then I'll go into more, because see, I try a different technique. So I'm gonna go into that and tell y'all the little tweaks I did to gain more traction and gain more views and my money, my revenue to go up. But if you have any comments, please put them down below. I will get to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you got this for what your girl, you're listening to what your girl's saying, or if you're just stopping by to see how much a small YouTuber has made, that's cool, but just give your girl a like. Just give me a like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sim Marie is out. Now go ahead, get monetized and get to the bag. If you already monetized, run that bag all the way up.